Did the universe choose to exist? Not in the way a person chooses breakfast, but in the quantum sense. Could everything around you, planets, people, time itself, have emerged not from divine intention or random chance, but from pure quantum possibility? Today, we dive deep into one of the most mind-bending ideas in modern physics. What if reality chose itself? Stick around. What you'll hear might just change how you see existence itself. Section 1: The Big Bang is not the beginning. For decades, the Big Bang theory has told us the universe began from a singularity, a point of infinite density and temperature. But here's the problem: singularities break physics. To move past that paradox, physicists turn to quantum mechanics, where particles don't have fixed positions, and certainty is replaced with probability. The Hartle-Hawking no-boundary proposal. They suggested, maybe the universe didn't explode into existence. Maybe it smoothly emerged from a quantum state, no sharp beginning, no edge, just a fuzzy, probabilistic start. In this view, the universe itself is a quantum system, described by a wave function. Section 2: The wave function of the universe. In quantum mechanics, a wave function tells us the probability of where a particle might be. But now, apply that to the entire universe. The wave function of the universe doesn't describe a single history, it describes all possible histories. Different geometries, different physical laws, even different timelines. Our universe is just one path through this cosmic sea of possibilities. We didn't start with a fixed blueprint. We emerged, like rolling dice and getting just the right combination. Section 3: A timeless beginning. But if the universe started in a quantum state, where does time fit in? Surprisingly, the fundamental equations, like the Wheeler-DeWitt equation, don't even include time. At the deepest level, reality might be timeless. That's right, no ticking clock, no before or after, just a static wave of possibility. So how do we experience time? Section 4: Time equals entanglement, Page-Wouters. The answer might lie in the Page-Wouters mechanism. Imagine the universe as two parts, a system and a clock. They're entangled. As the clock changes, the system appears to evolve, giving the illusion of time. In other words, time is not real by itself. It's a relationship between entangled parts. Time, as we know it, may just be a trick played by the universe's own structure. So in a way, the universe chose time to exist. Section 5: Observers create reality? Now comes the famous quantum weirdness. Before you observe a particle, it exists in all possible states. A cat is dead and alive. Light is a wave and a particle. Observation collapses the wave function. Reality snaps into place only when it's measured. This led John Wheeler to a bold idea, it from bit. He argued that information, not matter, is the foundation of everything. That we, as conscious observers, are not just passive spectators, but active participants. We create reality just by observing it. Section 6: Does the universe need consciousness? That's where decoherence comes in. When quantum systems interact with their environment, they naturally lose their quantum fuzziness. Superpositions collapse. Reality becomes classical. This happens without the need for consciousness. In the early universe, radiation, particles, and energy fields acted as observers, causing the wave function to collapse naturally. So no, the universe didn't need us to see it into existence. It chose a path, through interactions, not intentions. Section 7: So, did the universe choose to exist? In a way, yes. But not with intent, not with desire, not with thought. The universe chose to exist the same way a coin toss lands on heads, through probability. From a timeless, quantum superposition of all possible states, our universe decohered into being. Here we are, thinking, observing, asking questions. Perhaps that's the strangest part. We are products of this quantum origin, now looking back and wondering, why this version? Why us? Whether reality is born from probability, information, or entanglement, one thing is clear. The universe didn't have to be this way. But here it is, and so are we, not just witnesses to existence, but reflections of its very foundations. So next time you look at the night sky, remember, you're not just in the universe. You are the universe, becoming aware of itself. Thank you for watching. If this blew your mind, subscribe for more.